to the Queen's Court. Today I have an amazing and exciting Dollar Tree haul for you. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. And let's get started with this video. I want to welcome all my new family members. Thank you so much. Yay! And I want to say thank you to all my faithful returning family members. Y'all rock. I'm so thankful and grateful for y'all. Okay, let's get started on this video, honey. All right, first thing I picked up was some Alaskan pink salmon, wild Alaskan pink salmon. I like this in my salad. Okay, so I got a pack of that. Got me some, oh yeah, and the shelf life on that is 8826. Okay, 8826. All right, and I also picked up me some onion powder. I like that onion powder, and I like their onion powder and stuff like that there. I get my garlic powder from them, and yeah. All right, and I also picked up these Kleenex, y'all. You be needing these for church, you know, to put in your pocket. You know, our church supply it, but I don't want to have to get up and go and get some, you know. So I just got these for my little Kleenex. I like the print on the packaging, but of course, you know, the tissue is white. But yeah, I got that. I got those. And, yeah, 3-pack, okay? I also picked up this, y'all. I thought this was super cute. I don't know what I'm going to wear this with, but I thought it was cute. Because I'm getting ready to do a bob in my hair. I don't know, but I just loved it because it had the bling. Look at that bling bling. Yes, love it. Love that. That is so cute. I can't do nothing with this now, though. Nope. I like that though. And I also picked up just for her unexpected situations and first time period emergencies. I like this. I got this for the pads. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. I might give it to my daughter, but I don't, you know, I don't do this, but you know, I'm like yeah. I need these sometimes, okay? Yes, all right. Now more than ever. I picked up me some more of these Mentos Pure Fresh Spearmint Mints. Okay, they are super cute, y'all. I love these. These are so cute. Okay, I got that. I also picked up these right here. This is compact for travel, hygiene case, vibrating motion, travel battery powered toothbrush. I got this to put on my, you know, at my job. You know, I have a toothbrush, but this one should be nice. And when you go traveling, I don't go anywhere, but you know, this is really nice. I thought I liked the packaging as well. And I also picked up some Mother's Day cards. I think these Mother's Day cards are so cute. Oh my goodness. And yeah, most of them I got was like a bead thing. But let me show you this first. I also picked up this here blessed thing for my desk. Coaster for my desk. I thought this was super cute because I had pink thing going on at my desk for the spring and the summer. I hope it's not loud, y'all. I need the air because I'm sitting still. Okay, let's show these Mother's Day cards. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day. I thought that was super cute. Okay. To my beautiful sister. This is for my sister. Happy Mother's Day. You are an amazing mother and a wonderful woman. I'm so proud to be your sister. My sister is my sister mom. I call her my sister mom because she took care of me. My mother passed away 3 days before my 16th birthday. And she was instructed to take care of me if anything happened to her. So, I honor my sister as my mother and my sister. Okay. All right. Happy Mother's Day. This is so cute. I love that. Look at that. And on the back, it has the little rose. And it's like that. Very cute. Wishing you all that is beautiful today and always. These are for the mothers in my church. This one is Happy Mother's Day. Super cute. Love that. Purple. Y'all know I love my purple. Okay, and it has like the purple heart in the bag. I thought that was wonderful. This one has Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Beautiful. And I like these because they come packaged already with the, you know, you keep people's hands off of it and, you know, all that good stuff. No prints or nothing like that. But y'all, every mom is a queen. Y'all know I picked these up. Today is your day. You deserve to be treated like a queen bee you are. Happy Mother's Day. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, I love it. Yes. I got 3 of these. I got 3 of those. Okay, so yeah. All right. And that's the Mother's Day card. But y'all, the kicker, let me tell you, God is so good. I've been hunting around for this here Sesame Street collection. So Saturday, me and my daughter got up and no, it was Sunday after church. I'm sorry. And Saturday I stayed in to rest my leg. And we went to church and then we went on the hunt. So I went all the way in PA, all the way down to a Dollar Tree there. I walked past the stand like couple of times and didn't realize they had it on the in case. I was looking in the makeup department, okay? So they had like the 2 of the lip things, and that was it. They didn't have the palette, they didn't have the bag or nothing like that there. So I went to another one on the way back to come home, okay? And I went in there, they didn't have anything. They was like, because I asked when I went in the door, I said, do y'all have the Sesame Street makeup collection? She was like, no. Okay, so I left there, went to the one that was right over the bridge, went past that one to go all the way in PA to look for this here collection. So I went to the manager, she was stocking and stuff like that there, because I go to that one a lot, and she was like, I said, do you have this Sesame Street collection? She said, yes, we do. But she said, give me a minute. Let me go on and check to make sure. Okay. She went back there. While she was back there, they called her to the register, you know, up the front to get the line down. She came to me. She said, do you have a minute to wait, a few minutes to wait? I was like, sure. She said, we do have it. I was like, oh my God. She said, we do have it, but if you can just wait until I get this line down, then you can go ahead and, you know, we can get the stuff. So she got finished and she took me back there. Honey, let me tell you something. They had boxes of it. Girl, you would have thought I won $1 million. Well, I seen $1 million. Or 100, 2, 3. Y'all, I got the Wet n Wild 4-piece makeup brush set. Yes, ma'am. I got it. I have the Cowabunga eyelash curler. I just want that little thing on there with the Cookie Monster on there. I got that. I have Num Num 3-piece multi-stick set. I got that. Okay. I wanted this collection like no end. I have the Me One Cookie hand mirror. Yes, I got the mirror, y'all. I got it. I love this. This is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I got that palette. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful and such a treasure to find. I have never found a big palette makeup shadow palette at Dollar Tree, where people be hauling those makeup palettes and stuff. New York City, New Jersey, some of them palettes. Yes, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love this. I got that. And I also got Scram. I love trash. Now Scram. The makeup sponge and case set. I got that as well. Oh my goodness. You would have thought I ran into $1 million. I'm telling you. I mean, I was having a fit. She started opening up boxes. I was like, oh yeah. Oh, give me that. I got the Tickle Me Lip Tingler Gloss. I just got that. I don't think I'm going to use this though. But I got that. I also had Happy to Be Me lip gloss. This is cute. I think I got just one of these. It's like a brownish color. I got one of those, and I have 2 of these. This is so cute. She is so cute on here. Is that Miss Piggy? What's her name? Y'all, isn't that cute? That is just too cute. She is such a doll. Isn't she cute? So I got the pink, yes, honey, I got that. And I also grabbed, I got the makeup bag. I got the makeup bag. Yes. Ooh, I bet you if I go over there today, they don't have none. Y'all, look at this case. This makeup case is super cute. Oh my goodness. I got 2 of these. I'm going to send somebody one that's going to hunt for this. But this is beautiful. I like it. It's roomy enough for all of my makeup when I take it out of the case. Look at this. It looks like a lunchbox though. You know, a little, well, you can't put really no lunch in there, but I wouldn't dare use that for this. But it's like that and like that. Look at that. I can put my palette in there. My palette fit, my lipsticks, this here curler, my compact. Yes, all of this stuff gonna fit right in here. My makeup brushes and all. But you know, of course I'm not gonna, you know, everything will be out of the pack. But yes, and you can zip it up with all that stuff in it. I couldn't put the sponge, but look at that. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? All the little sayings on there. I am so thrilled with this and so thankful to be able to find the whole set. Stuff that I wanted. I didn't want the sparkle things or nothing like that. I didn't want that. And I also picked up these here iFly Smart Tropical Escapes. It's 4 tropical cocktail inspired candles. Y'all, these smell good. The first 2 I think I smelled. No, I smelled the first one. But I'm going, oh, they smell good just coming out of the pack here, y'all. This is the mango iced tea. Ooh, y'all, my car smelling good. Ooh, smell, y'all, smell. You know they're going to get smell-o-vision on these cameras and these phones and stuff. That smells amazing. Let's see what this one. This one is Island Mimosa. Island Mimosa. Okay. That's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. I would burn that. And this one is kiwi mojito. Okay, that should smell good. Ooh, y'all, this one don't want to come out. Okay. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, little one-wick candles. That smells good. And we have cherry pop. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yes, y'all. So these are the items I picked up on this trip to my Dollar Tree. Oh, wow. Ooh, y'all, let me know down in the comments how many of y'all have picked up the Sesame Street. I've been seeing a lot of people haul, but I want to hear from you all down in the comments. Let me know. Have you picked up, some items of the Sesame Street makeup collection? Okay, so let me know. I like to hear it in the comments. Okay, y'all, I thank you. Thank you so much for coming in, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you like what you see, you like my channel, y'all, please subscribe. Who gonna subscribe? Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. That's how I get seen and get viewed. People share your video, I believe, too. Please thumbs up. That helps out my channel an awful lot. Yeah, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. Y'all remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Love you all. I love you with the love of Christ. And guess what? Jesus loved you, and I do too. Bye-bye.